music comes from people who are relaxed. Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man, okay, alright.
What is my purpose?
Pass the butter.
What is my purpose?
Pass the butter.
Oh my god.
Yeah, welcome to the club, pal. Pass the butter.
Alright, well, it's time to clean this car. Every time I touch it, I get dirty. And it's starting to piss me off. So, time to clean it up.
Pass the butter.
Oh my god.
Yeah, welcome to the club, pal. Bye, Morty. Rick? You're not leaving, right? Yeah, I am. To get ice cream. So you're coming back?
Trunk was also an absolute disaster. Ed was missing the jack and tools and spare tire, so I got those at the wrecker, cleaned them all up, put them all back in.
I can handle it if you go. But you break Mom's heart, and I won't forgive you for that. Where's the van, Morty? It's over the horizon.
Dash also needed a bunch of reassembly, just odds and ends, nuts and bolts, just trying to find where all the hardware goes and all the brackets go. Nothing big, just odds and ends, trying to get the ECU back in properly.
Entity or law? Is it like the hand of God hovering above? At least it is true that man has no control, even over his own will.
Swapping the wiring harness back in. The one that came on the motor was cut, unfortunately. I don't know why they didn't just unplug it, but whatever. They cut it, so I gotta swap the old one over to this one, and I gotta fix up the distributor wiring. Dash back in. Hopefully this is the last time. Kind of doubt it though. Okay, so as we found out, it's definitely better to change the oil or remove the oil before removing the drive shafts and pulling it out and getting oil all over the driveway. Now, try not to get this gear oil all over me. Oh, gear oil smells great. Brand new gear oil. It is an S80, so it's either GSR or JDM.
Oh, what? Oh, we're not finished counting.
I don't know if I can pressure wash this thing. It'll fucking. There's an oil streak down the driveway. That'll get bylaw's attention. We don't want bylaw. Okay, so unfortunately, Buddy McSwapperson, rather than wiring in the plug, look what he did. He he hardwired the distributor to the harness. Oh, and in case you're wondering why we're not using this motor, That's part of one of the rods that fell out of the motor earlier. Why the heck is the camera so low? All you see is my knee. I'm gonna have to get better at this. Finger tight now? Is that what we're doing? All the hardware on this engine was either finger tight or excruciatingly tight. There we go. Oh, XTD. Oh, you bought a new clutch. So, thank you. Hopefully it's not all fucking burnt to a goddamn crisp. Am I a pessimist? No! Not a pessimist. I want to go on record saying this is bush league. If you're wondering what bush league means, it's this. I'm doing it now. I think it's just hanging out there. Okay, cool. Jeez.
I thought you heard me.
You scared the crap out of me.
Do you want some water?
Well, my hands are too dirty.
I don't care if you touch it. Nobody.
Oops, I turned the camera off there for a minute. Yeah, we also we had a lightweight flywheel. That's great. But I don't have any 12-point sockets. Anyways, come back to this later.